Today, I am going to be sharing everything you need to know about how to age gracefully and look and feel beautiful no matter your age. Now, really quickly, if you are a curious person such as myself and would love to learn at least one new fact each day, whether it's to enhance your personal relationships, finance, professional life, health, and much more, you have come to the right place. The Age Fix, a leading plastic surgeon, reveals how to really look 10 years younger by Anthony Yoon, offers several key lessons on maintaining a youthful appearance without necessarily resorting to surgery. Here are some of the main takeaways. 1. Prevention is key. Yun emphasizes the importance of preventive measures in skincare, such as using sunscreen daily to protect against sun damage, which is a leading cause of aging. 2. Skincare routine. A consistent skincare regimen that includes the right products, such as antioxidants, retinoids, and moisturizers, can significantly improve skin health and appearance. 3. Healthy lifestyle. The book advocates for a holistic approach to aging, highlighting the benefits of a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate hydration, and sufficient sleep. 4. Non-surgical treatments. Yun discusses various non-invasive cosmetic treatments, such as fillers, Botox, and laser treatments, that can provide significant results without the downtime associated with surgery. 5. Understanding aging. The author breaks down the biological processes of aging and educates readers about how different factors, including genetics and environmental influences, affect the aging process. 6. Realistic goals. The book encourages readers to set realistic expectations regarding cosmetic procedures and to be informed about the potential risks and benefits. 7. Self-care and confidence. Beyond physical appearance, Yoon emphasizes the importance of self-care and confidence in feeling youthful, suggesting that mental and emotional well-being play a significant role in how we perceive ourselves. 8. Consultation with professionals. The author advises consulting with qualified professionals for personalized advice and treatment options tailored to individual needs. Here's a detailed breakdown of products that can be part of an effective skincare routine. Morning routine. 1. Cleanser. Choose a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. Gel for oily skin, cream for dry skin. Example, CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser for dry skin or Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash for oily skin. Antioxidant serum. Look for serums containing vitamin C to help protect against free radicals and brighten the skin. Example, SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic or the ordinary vitamin C suspension. Moisturizer. A lightweight, hydrating moisturizer helps maintain skin moisture. Example, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel or CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. For sunscreen, use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30, even on cloudy days. Example, Elta MD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46 or La Roche-Posay Anthelios Melt in Milk Sunscreen. Evening routine. 1. Cleanser. Use the same gentle cleanser as in the morning. 2. Exfoliant. 2 to 3 times a week. Chemical exfoliants like AHAs or BHAs can help remove dead skin cells and improve texture. Example, Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant or the ordinary lactic acid 5%. 3. Retinoid. Incorporate a retinoid product to promote cell turnover and reduce signs of aging. Example, retinol 0.25% in squalane from the ordinary or adaptation retinol serum. 4. Moisturizer. Use a richer moisturizer at night to help with skin regeneration. Example, CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion or Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. 5. Eye cream optional. If desired, use an eye cream to target specific concerns like dark circles or puffiness. Example, Olay Eyes Brightening Eye Cream or Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. Weekly treatments. Face masks. Hydrating or clarifying masks can be used once a week based on your skin's needs. Special treatments. If you have specific concerns like hyperpigmentation, consider targeted treatments such as niacinamide or licensed products for skin issues. Here are some dietary recommendations based on the book. 1. Antioxidant-rich foods. Fruits and vegetables. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, such as berries, leafy greens, and citrus fruits. These foods are high in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Examples, blueberries, spinach, kale, carrots, and bell peppers. 2. Healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids. These are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can help maintain skin elasticity. Sources: fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. 3. Whole grains. Choose whole grains over refined grains to provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health. Examples: quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole grain bread. Lean proteins. Protein is essential for skin repair and regeneration. Opt for lean sources to keep your diet balanced. Sources: chicken, turkey, beans, legumes, tofu, and low-fat dairy. 5. Hydration. Staying well hydrated is crucial for maintaining skin moisture and elasticity. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Consider herbal teas and water-rich foods, like cucumbers and watermelon, as additional sources of hydration. Limit sugar and processed foods. High sugar intake can lead to glycation, a process that can damage collagen and elastin in the skin. Reducing processed foods can also lower your intake of unhealthy fats and additives.